So in this video we will discuss how to find centroid of different section. Let me start with T section. First step is identify the axis. We know this is called our x-axis and this is called our y-axis. If you put your y-axis here, you will find this figure is symmetrical about y-axis. Symmetrical means if you cut figure from this portion, both the portion will be equal. So we have to calculate the centroid only from this x-axis. Second step is divide the figure. So we have to divide this figure from two parts. Let this part will be our first part and this part will be our second part. Now find the center of each part. To find the center of each part, let us take the part 1. x1 equal to 12 by 2 is equal to 6 centimeter and y1 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2 centimeter. So because this figure is symmetrical about y-axis, this length will be equal to 6 centimeter. And it is 4 centimeter, so this length will be equal to 2 centimeter. So this is our center of first figure. Now for the second figure, the procedure is same. x2 is equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2 centimeter and y2 10 by 2 equal to 5 centimeter. So this length equal to 2 centimeter and half of 10 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter. This is the center of our second part. Now we will calculate area of first part. A1 is equal to 12 multiplied by 4. 12 multiplied by 4 equal to 48 centimeter, and area of second part equal to 10 multiplied by 4 40 centimeter. Now y1 bar. Y1 bar is distance between center of first part and the reference x-axis, means distance from the center of first part to the reference x-axis, which is equal to 10 plus this distance equal to 2 centimeter. So 10 plus 2, 12 centimeter. And similarly y2 bar, which is equal to distance between center of second part and the reference x-axis. So this is the center of second part. So distance from here to the reference x-axis, if this distance equal to 5 centimeter, so this distance also equal to 5 centimeter. y2 bar is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we have to only calculate y bar because it is our centroid, which is equal to distance of the centroid of the T section from x-axis. So this y bar is equal to our centroid of the whole T section. This is the formula for calculating the centroid. So we have to just put our data in this formula. So A1 equal to 48, y1 bar is equal to 12 plus A2 equal to 40 centimeter, y2 bar 5 upon A1 plus A2, 48 plus 40. So we will get 8.818 centimeter, which is equal to our centroid of the whole section. So we have calculated from this x-axis. So from here 8.818 centimeter means this distance is equal to centroid of our whole T section. Now this is our second question. For I section we have to find the centroid. Procedure is same for this question also. It is also symmetrical about y-axis. So we have to only calculate our centroid from this x-axis. That this is our x-axis. Now first of all we have to divide our figure into three parts. 1, 2 and 3. So this is our first part, this is our second part, and this is our third part. First of all we have to find the center of each part. So for part 1, x1 is equal to 15 by 2 7.5 centimeter, and y1 5 by 2 2.5 centimeter. Now for part 2, x2 is equal to 5 by 2 2.5 centimeter, and y2 30 by 2 15 centimeter. Part 3, x3 is equal to this length 30 by 2 15 centimeter, and y3 10 by 2 5 centimeter. Now locate the center of these three parts. First part, x1 equal to 7.5 centimeter. Because this figure is symmetrical, this distance equal to 7.5 centimeter, and 2.5 centimeter, this distance equal to 2.5 centimeter. The center of first part will be this. For second part, x2 equal to 2.5 centimeter. So this distance equal to 2.5 centimeter, and y2 equal to 15 centimeter. So half of 30 centimeter is equal to 15. So this distance is equal to 15 centimeter. And for third part, x3 equal to 15 centimeter. Because this figure is symmetrical, this distance equal to 15 centimeter, and y3 equal to 5 centimeter. So half of 10 is equal to 5. So this will be the center of third figure, and this distance equal to 5 centimeter. Now we have to calculate area. So area of first rectangle is equal to 15 multiplied by 5 equal to 75 centimeter. Area of second equal to 30 multiplied by 5 150 centimeter, and area of third equal to 30 multiplied by 10 300 centimeter. And we know y1 bar is equal to distance from x-axis to the center of first figure, which is equal to 10 plus 30 plus 2.5. 10 plus 30 plus 2.5 equal to 42.5 centimeter. y2 bar equal to distance from x-axis to the center of second figure. So 10 plus this distance, which is equal to 15 centimeter. So 10 plus 15 centimeter is equal to 25 centimeter. and y3 bar, which is equal to distance from this center to the x-axis, which is simply equal to 5 centimeter. Now we have to put all the data in this formula. So y bar is equal to a1 y1 bar, a1 equal to 75 centimeter, y1 bar 42.5, a2 y2 bar, a2 equal to 150 centimeter, and y2 bar is 25, a3 300 centimeter, and y3 bar equal to 5 upon a1 plus a2 plus a3, 75 plus 150 plus 300. If you calculate, you will find y bar is equal to 16.07 centimeter. So from this x-axis, 16.07 centimeter will be the centroid of this whole eye section. So this is 10 and 16. So let's take this 6 centimeter. So this distance is equal to 16.07 centimeter, and this will be the centroid of our eye section. Now let us calculate centroid for L section. In this L section, you will find this section is unsymmetrical about any of the axes. For example, if you put your y-axis here, you will find that these two parts will not be equal, or you put your x-axis here or anywhere, both the parts will not be equal. So let this will be our x-axis and this will be our y-axis. Because this figure is not symmetrical about any of the axes, we have to calculate the centroid from both the end, from the x-axis and also from the y-axis. Now we will follow our procedure. Let us divide this figure into two parts. This is our part 1 and this is our part 2. Now calculate center of each part. Part 1, x1. So x1 equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and y1 is equal to, this length is 10 centimeter, so 10 by 2 is equal to 5 centimeter. Now for part 2, x1 equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4 centimeter, and y2 equal to 2 by 2 1 centimeter. So x2 equal to 4 centimeter, so this length will be equal to half of 8, 4 centimeter, and y2 equal to 1 centimeter, so half of 2, 1 centimeter. So this will be the center of our second figure. Now let's calculate area. A1 is equal to 2 multiplied by 10, 20 centimeter, and A2 8 multiplied by 2, 16 centimeter. Y1 bar, we know it is equal to distance from the center of first figure to the x-axis. So this is 2 centimeter and this is the center of first figure. So this length equal to 5 centimeter. So 5 plus 2 equal to 7 centimeter, and y2 bar, this distance which is simply equal to 1 centimeter. Now put in the formula, we know y bar equal to a1 y1 bar plus a2 y2 bar upon a1 plus a2. So a1 equal to 20 centimeter, y1 bar equal to 7, a2 equal to 16 centimeter, and y2 bar equal to 1 upon a1 plus a2, 20 plus 16. If you calculate, you get 4.333 centimeter. Now because this figure is unsymmetrical, we have to also calculate from y-axis. So similarly we have to only calculate x1 bar. And what is x1 bar? x1 bar is simply distance between center of first part and y-axis. So distance from the center of first part to the y-axis, you can see this equal to 1 centimeter. And x2 bar, which is also equal to distance from the center of second part to the y-axis. So x2 bar is equal to half of 8 centimeter from distance from here to here, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Now simply we have to put this data to this formula. So x bar equal to a1, which is equal to 20, x1 bar 1 centimeter, plus a2 equal to 16 centimeter. So a2 equal to 16 centimeter, and x2 bar, which is equal to 4 centimeter, upon a1 plus a2, 20 plus 16, you will get 2.33 centimeter. So we have to locate our centroid of L section, which is equal to x bar 2.33 centimeter from this y-axis. So this is 2 centimeter. So 2.33 centimeter must be here. And y bar, which is equal to 4.333 centimeter from x-axis. So this is 2. So this will be 4.44. So this point is the centroid of our L section. Or you can draw a line from this x-axis. This distance is 4.33 centimeter. So you can draw a line like this. And we know from y-axis the distance is 2.33. So this distance is 2.33. So this point is the centroid of our L section.